Hello everyone, today I'm going to be talking about the Nexo token and sharing some key details about it and a market price prediction. Let's begin. First off guys, is rank number 76 on 117,000 people's watch list with a market of $406 million. But what is this cryptocurrency guys? Nexo is a blockchain based lending platform that offers instant cryptocurrency backed loans, user deposits, and acceptable tokens such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, XRP as collateral to receive a loan in the form of fiat currency or stablecoin. Okay, let's check out the website, learn more about this crypto. So here's your crypto right here, guys. This is the right place for your digital assets. Grow your wealth and keep it secure with Nexo. So personally, I've not used this app or their platform, but I like the charts for it. So let's dive right into that right now. And here's Nexo on the weekly, guys. Now, when you guys see this cryptocurrency, what I like about it already is that it made a double bottom down here on the weekly. So my first price target when it comes to this cryptocurrency, if it can maintain its current course, will be this upper zone right here. So we're currently trading about 74 cents, and my zone that I'm looking at is $1.22. Now I won't trade this with a margin. I won't trade this with a leverage account. Basically, I'm looking at dollar cost averaging, but I think this bottom is pretty secure right here. So I think that this will be an easy price target for it to hit. And if it does, I'll take some off the table like I always do. And then if it bounces back down to head up higher, then I'll make a price update when it comes to this cryptocurrency. Because if it does hit up to back to these previous highs up here, that can be pretty significant. You're talking about, easily double my amount that I entered with. And that can be pretty significant when it comes to trading. But with this one, guys, I'm looking at only doing cash positions and either enter a couple $100, a couple, whatever amount, and then exiting some right here, taking off, some off the table, and then letting it run possibly up to here. But I will be watching this cryptocurrency quite constantly, and basically I have it on, alerts. So my alerts will tell me where it's at, and if it hits my trade, and then hits my target profit, then I'll manage it if it goes up to here. But that's my thoughts, my two price predictions when it comes to Nexo token. Let's get into the community, learn more about what other people are thinking about. So first one, this is by Rick Coco, one of the first crypto CeFi and one of the last standing. I'm bullish on Nexo and have been since 2019. With no issues whatsoever, the year 2023-2024 is going to be a massive prediction for Nexo token. All right. This individual, I have been using their service for a while, and I'll say I'm impressed. Keep up the good work. So Nexo told you so. Research Nexo. You'd be better off in 2024, 2025. It has huge upside potential. So we get a lot of people saying some bullish news about it. I just saw because of the charts, and I like reviewing cryptocurrencies. But if you guys want to get parts cryptocurrency, just check out the marketplace on Nexo. Just go here to markets on their homepage, or you guys can have the link below. But they're on Binance, Uniswap, Bitstamp, Bitfinex, on some pretty big platforms. So you guys can find find this cryptocurrency. But if you guys check out the Twitter page, they got 273,000 followers, a lot of updates on here, so please check that out, be knowledgeable about it. But I'm not telling you guys what to do with your money. I'm saying what I'm going to be doing with this trade. But besides that, guys, let's check out my website, andremcclennan.com. If you want to learn more about cryptocurrency, trading, economy, here you guys go. Some programming stuff for people who want to learn more about MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5. But if you guys want to learn more about my services, here's my Fiverr services, guys. Click on this link right here, and it'll take you to it. Or hit me up on Telegram to learn more about myself, or talk to me directly. But besides that, guys, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.